What's up guys, how you all doing? I'm Paul the Tech Giant and welcome back to the channel where today I'm going to show you how good the gaming is on this budget 55-inch LG CS OLED. And as you can see, the game that we're going to be testing out is the new God of War on the PlayStation 5. Well, we're only a few seconds in and that looks absolutely beautiful.
You know?
Ready?
Okie dokie, we are up and running. And yeah, first impressions, this game looks absolutely mental. Gotta be some of the best graphics that I have seen on the PlayStation 5 to date. Now I just want to run through a few things first. So you may be noticing that there are a few sort of weird lines on the screen. Don't worry, that's just my camera. Nothing to do with the game or the actual TV itself. And also it looks a little bit more bluer on camera than it does in person. Again, that is just my camera. As you can see at the moment, we are playing with the lights on, but I will be turning them off in just a minute so you guys get to see what it's like in a dark and light environment. Now, if you're wondering what mode I'm playing this in, well, we are playing in the higher frame rate. We just get some details there about what's going on, as you can see. Yeah, this does look absolutely mental. Look at that. That is beautiful. Check that out. That's mad.
Let's go home.
Becky.
And trust me, it looks far better in person than it ever will do on camera. Now, before we get into the details of this TV, I just want to say a big thanks to box.co.uk for sending over this TV for testing. Now, if you do want to pick up this TV or any other TV for that matter, my God, that does look amazing. I've got to keep saying it, looks mental. So yeah, if you want to pick up this TV or any other TV, I'd really appreciate it if you go and check out their link in the description. And for the first time ever, I have actually got an affiliate link. So if you use one of my links in the description, I'll actually get a few pence back from any sale. So yeah, that is a great way to support the channel. Now, talking of Box, you may have known that we have recently done a giveaway in conjunction with Box, where we gave away a £1,000 TV, which was this one, yes, an LG CS OLED. And yeah, one lucky person got that TV absolutely free just for signing up for the giveaway. Now, lots of people have come to me since the giveaway has ended and said that, you know, they missed out, you know, when are we doing another one? Well, what I would suggest you do is make sure that you subscribe to the channel and you hit the bell icon so you get notified of my latest uploads. So when we next do a giveaway, you're going to be the first to know about it. Now, again, along the same lines, Box a few days ago gave me an exclusive discount code where you could pick up this TV for only £799. It was only a 2-day code. Unfortunately, again, it's expired. It made this TV the lowest price in the UK just because of my code. So many people are coming forward saying, Paul, can you get me another code? Unfortunately, I can't. So another reason to make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon. Now, that is a mental image for a budget OLED TV. That is the absolute mind-bending thing about this. You could have picked this TV up for only £799 and it looks that good. That's bonkers. I tell you what, the detail is immense. I mean, just look at it on his face there, all the wrinkles of that. Crazy. Right, so let's give you some details about this TV then. So this is the 55-inch LG CS OLED, which is brand new to the market. So many of you may not know what this TV is. Well, in simple terms, it's basically a LG C1 OLED from last year, with the latest 2022 Alpha 9 Gen 5 processor. And that isn't a bad thing because the LG C1 was an award-winning TV. But with that latest processor, this ups it even more. So what about specs for this TV then? Right, well, where do I start? This thing is made for gaming. So we have 4 HDMI 2.1s, which are good for 4K 120. This TV also has auto low latency mode, VRR, FreeSync and G-Sync, and supports Dolby Vision for gaming. Now currently we are in the out of the box game setting. And if I grab my remote control and just press on the settings button just once, we get up the game dashboard, which gives us information about our frames per second, about the VRR, black stabilizer, the latency. So yeah, it gives us loads of great information. In the middle, we also have preset controls here, which you can toggle through. You can customize these to whatever you want, but it's great that you can easily just click on this to change it up according to the game that you're playing. Then we've got our main game optimizer settings, where you can customize stuff and toggle on and off various features. Well, let's just move around a bit so you can see the TV from various angles. And my camera's darkening down the image a little bit, so again, if you're worrying it's crushing the blacks a little bit, again, that's just the limitations of my camera, unfortunately. But again, look at that, looks stunning even from over here, not washing out or anything like that. To think this is, a budget OLED, should I say? I was going to say budget TV. OLEDs are always going to be that bit more expensive than your traditional TVs. And, I understand it's still a considered purchase, but, in the scale of OLED TVs, this is considered a budget one, but you still get the amazing benefits of the OLED technology. Doesn't matter what the price, even this being a cheaper one, you're still getting amazing black levels. When it shuts off those pixels, it still shuts them off. Doesn't matter whether you're buying the top end one or the bottom of the range. But yeah, that looks absolutely mental. What we're going to do, just going to come over here and shut the lights off. But yeah, God, even just stood over here, that looks mega. I've got to be totally honest, I'm not really into this type of game, but I think I'm going to give this actually a go because visually it just looks so good. Look at that, man. Again, my camera, honest to God, will not do this TV justice. I'm pretty sure most people would get this TV home and would be blown away with it, especially when it comes to gaming. It's very rare that I have anyone who says they're disappointed with one of these TVs when it comes to gaming. Most people say it basically has revived their old games. They're playing games that they've not played for years again. And yeah, it's just given them a new lease of life. Now, of course, we've got Cyber Monday coming up. Well, depending on when you're watching this back. So I don't know if there's going to be any more offers on this or not. Box may be watching this and decide to run another offer. I'm not sure. We'll have to wait and see. But even at the price that it's currently going for, which is just shy of £1,000, I still think this is an amazing buy, and I would highly recommend it to anyone who's got that sort of budget. Now, if you want to know a little bit more about this TV, then I have done a full unboxing and demo video, and I'll put a link to that in the description. And if you're not a PlayStation fan, then don't worry, because we will also be testing it out with the Xbox Series X. That about wraps it up then, guys, and that was the 55-inch LG CS OLED. Now do me a favour, if you have enjoyed today's video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you want to see more videos like this in the future, and make sure you hit that bell icon so you get notified of my latest uploads. So thanks very much for joining me today. Hopefully I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye for now.